Hello students, in this video I will explain few new topic of chapter Physical and Chemical Changes of class 7. So first of all, chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction are the process in which new substance with new properties are formed. Chemical reaction involve chemical changes. During chemical reaction, a rearrangement of atom take place between the reacting substance to form new substance having entirely different properties. Chemical reaction involve breaking of old chemical bond which exist between the atom of the reacting substance and then making of new chemical bond between the rearranged atom of the new substance. During a chemical reaction, atom of one element do not change into those of the another element. Only rearrangement of atoms will take place in a chemical reaction. And generally chemical reaction are usually irreversible and a new product is formed. Next, reactant and product. So in a chemical reaction, reactant is the substance which take part in a chemical reaction and the product is the new substance produced or formed as a result of chemical reaction. Example, when magnesium burn in presence of oxygen, it will produce magnesium oxide which is considered as white powder. And here Mg, here it is the balanced chemical equation. So 2 is considered as coefficient and 2 MgO here 2 is also coefficient and O2 2 here is the subscript and the SGS, it is the physical state of the reactant and product. S means solid state and G for gaseous state. Another example, it is the balanced chemical equation of the process of respiration in which glucose breaking down in presence of oxygen and it will produce carbon dioxide along with water molecule and energy in form of ATP. It is also produced in this reaction and the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Here 12 6, it is a subscript and coefficient is 6 O2 6 CO2 6 S2. Here 6 is coefficient and H2O CO2 C6H12O6 are the chemical formula of the particular compound. Next, there are various characteristics of chemical reaction. So the conversion of reactant into product in a chemical reaction is often accompanied by some feature which can be observed easily. And the easily observable feature which take place as a result of chemical reaction are known as characteristics of chemical reaction. The various characteristics of chemical reactions are evolution of a gas, formation of a precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, change in state. So let's discuss it one by one. Number one, change in state. So here the formation of water when hydrogen and oxygen combine, it will form water and the physical state of hydrogen is gaseous state. Oxygen is also gaseous state, but when it is combined, it form liquid water. So here change in state will also take place during a chemical reaction. Next, change in color. So when iron nail, which is Fe dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, and the color of copper sulfate is blue, and after dipping iron nail in a copper sulfate, the blue color of copper sulfate disappear due to formation of iron sulfate and copper deposited over iron nail, and the chemical equation is Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. The color of copper sulfate is blue, that's why it is also known as blue vitriol, and the color of iron sulfate is green, that's why it is considered as green vitriol. Next, evolution of gas. So when sodium react with water, bubbles of hydrogen gas is formed. So this is one of the characteristics of chemical reaction. Change in temperature. Example, when water is added to quicklime, the vessel become warm due to evolution of heat. Here, it is a kind of exothermic reaction in which heat is evolved. Next, when potassium hydroxide is added to ammonium chloride, the vessel become cold due to absorption of heat. So this is a kind of endothermic reaction in which heat is absorbed. Next, formation of precipitate. So first of all, what is precipitate? It is insoluble solid formed in a chemical reaction. Example, when silver nitrate solution react with sodium chloride solution, it gives precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate solution. So this is also a double displacement reaction. That's all for today. Thank you.